Hi, my name's Ellen. I'm part of the sales team at Barcham Trees. I'm just going to show you today how to use our hydration bags. So get your bag out of the packet, and it will look like this. It's got a zip on one side, zip on the other side. So take it out, unfold it, you wrap it round the tree like so, zip it up from the bottom upwards. Like that. Spin it round so it's sat comfortably at the bottom of the tree. Get your hose or perhaps watering can ready. You lift up the flap like so. Pop the hose in the bag and away you go. Fill him up. Now, it'll take a few minutes for this to fill up. The idea is that during the height of the season, you're going to be looking to filling the bag up every 3 to 5 days. Once it's full, you'll notice there's a little drip at the base, I'll show you in a minute, where the water comes out. The average release time for these bags are about 3 to 6 hours. So if your bag is emptying faster than that, please let us know. If it's emptying slower than that, you might find that the holes have got a little clogged up, and I'll show you in a minute how you can rectify that. So once you've got a bit of water in the bag, when you lift it up, you should find that it leaks just out of this little hole here at the bottom. Don't know if you can see that. Sometimes you find that when the bags are really full, this is a bit flat, so you don't get the water leaking out so well. So once you've got it nice and full, the thing to do is grab the handles, just give it a little shake to make sure that the water is emptying properly. So this is the bag fully filled up, filled right to the top. You should then see the water dripping out the side, right under there, where the holes are. See, it's just draining. It's very slightly where my finger is. The hole is actually further inside there. So over time, it will just trickle out really slowly and the bag will empty. We'd expect that to take about 3 to 6 hours. Obviously, keep an eye on your bag for any wear and tear, any splits, cracks. If they're munched on by rabbits or any sorts of animals, they'll obviously leak. There is also a couple of little hole eyelets in the back, so you can put a padlock on there if you need to. That will stop anyone from taking